Now I want to tell you what are the zeros of a polynomial. What is the meaning of this word zeros of a polynomial? In case I take an example, that is 3x minus 6. It is a polynomial, yes. It is a linear polynomial, yes. Its degree is 1, okay. Now the question is there any value of x possible? I can represent 3x minus 6 by the symbol px. Px meaning by a polynomial in x is 3x minus 6. If I ask you to trace a value of x which when supplied here makes this result right hand side as 0. At 1, 3 into 1 minus 6 is minus 3, not, result is not 0. If I say x is equals to 2, then answer of this become px become p of 2. What I am doing in place of x, I am supplying 2. Px, p of 2 is equals to 3 into 2 minus 6. So p of 2 become 6 minus 6, that is p of 2 is 0. So answer of this expression, algebraic expression, this polynomial becomes 0 when x is considered assumed as what? 2. When x is assumed 2, answer becomes 0. So we say 2 is the 0 of 3x minus 6. 2 is the 0 of 3x minus 6. So what is the 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial is that value which when supplied in place of variable makes this result 0 is known as the 0 of a polynomial. If there is a constant polynomial, suppose I say a polynomial px is 7 and I ask you find or trace or obtain its zeros. It is not possible even to find a single 0 because it is a constant polynomial. Its degree is 0 because 7 can be written as 7 into 1, that is 7 into x raised to the power 0. So we can say that it does not has any 0. If a linear polynomial like example discussed with you, it has 1 0. If I take x square minus 4 is another polynomial, its degree is 2, it's a quadratic polynomial, it has 2 zeros. One of the 0 is 2, another 0 is minus 2. If there is a cubic polynomial, it has 3 zeros. If it is biquadratic polynomial, it has 4 zeros. 0 polynomial. Number 0 itself is known as the 0 polynomial and its degree is not defined because 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power 0. As per this condition, its degree has to be 0. 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power 1. As per this condition, its degree is 1. 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power 2. As per this condition, its degree is 2. 0 can be written as 0 into x cube. As per this condition, its degree is 3. Similarly, 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power infinity. As per this degree is infinity, so we say it may attain degree 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. Hence, the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. What is not defined? Degree. Degree of what? Degree of 0 polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined because it may attain any degree as discussed with you. And what is degree 0 polynomial? Number 0 itself is known as the 0 polynomial.